Hi there! I'm going to show you how to link elements using Glazed Builder. In this video, you will learn how to add and customize the link element. Now in the column, click on the plus icon to add the link element. The element is under the Content tab. In the link field, insert the URL of the destination. Select whether you would like the URL to be opened in the same or in a new window. Now click on Save Changes. Now you will need to add the elements that will be linked. For example, I will be using the text element. Click on the plus icon within the same column you added the link to and select your preferred element. Now you have a text element that is linked. And if you want, you can add more elements into the linked container. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more.